Hello everyone, welcome to the another very important session in which I'm just gonna talk about the new offer, which is the New Year offer on Unacademy Learning app. We are going to have for Unacademy subscription. As per this offer, you will be getting the 22% off in the total Unacademy Plus subscription amount. The offer is just from 1st to 3rd January. So this is just about to end now. This is a reminder video. If you want to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, then you can take the subscription today and you can grab this offer, as today is the last day to grab the offer. Okay, and whenever you are going to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, what are the steps you need to take and how you can grab this offer? So to grab the offer, you have to use and apply the referral code, which is Anjali Arora, as mentioned here on the screen, or Anjali A Live. Any of these referral codes you can use and apply. Any one of these referral codes you can use and apply to get the 22% discount in the total subscription amount. So if you want to take the subscription, you can first of all download the Unacademy Learning app, then select your goal for whatever exam preparation you want to take the subscription. After that, you can select the duration for how much time you want to take the subscription. Then you can use and apply the referral code. Any of these referral codes you can write, whether Anjali Arora as mentioned here on the screen or Anjali A Live as mentioned here on the screen. So any one of these you can write. After applying the referral code, you will be getting the 22% discount in the total subscription amount. So this is how you can grab this offer. You can get this discount if you will be taking the subscription right now. Even guys, right now many new courses are starting on Unacademy Learning app by the top educators. So by taking the subscription, you will be able to take or attend the live classes of well structured and well planned courses by the top educators for your upcoming exam preparation, and you can take your preparation to the next level under the guidance of top educators. So I hope each and everything is clear to all of you. Here we are even having the slides regarding the referral code, so any of these you can use and apply, and you can take the Unacademy Plus subscription and take your preparation to the next level with all these very important courses in which we are going to cover up the important tricks, concepts, right approach to solve the questions, and by knowing all this, you will be able to do the best preparation for your upcoming exam. So this is just a reminder video. If you want to take the subscription, you can take the subscription. If your friends who are waiting to take the Unacademy Plus subscription, you can let them know about the offer as well as the referral code. So by using and by applying the referral code, you will be able to get this discount in the total subscription amount. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till the end. Thank you.